Hello everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Duri Food channel. In today's recipe I am going to show you how to prepare an amazing corned beef stew, a loaded corned beef stew. So let's get started. For this recipe I have got here 2 chopped pork and ham, 2 corned beef, I have got 3 scotch bonnets, 1 onion, about 180 grams ginger, 5 garlic cloves, oil. I have also got 2 plum tomatoes. I have got 2 chopped onions. I'm also going to use 2 tomato puree or paste, 1 small maggi cube, 7 stalks spring onion, 180 grams carrots, all-purpose with seasoning, tandoori curry, some thyme, and that's it. So now I am going to pour 1 cup of vegetable oil and let it heat up. Then I'm going to add my 2 sliced onion and let it cook until it becomes translucent, so about 2-3 minutes. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of thyme and 1 tablespoon of tandoori curry, which you can replace with yellow curry. Then I'm going to give it a stir and leave it to cook for a further 2 minutes on a medium heat. In the meantime, I have also prepared 3 scotch bonnets, my ginger, garlic, and 1 onion that I'm going to blend. And then after blending, I am going to add it to my onion, stir it, and leave it to cook for about 2 minutes. Next, I'm going to add my tomato puree or tomato paste, and I have got 400 grams or 2 whole tubes. Next, I am going to stir it and again leave it to cook for about 2 minutes on a medium heat to low. Then I'm going to add in my plum tomatoes, so I'm using only 2 because I'm using more tomato paste. Then I'm going to stir it, cover it, and leave it to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. After that, I am going to stir it again, and then I'm going to add my corned beef, and this is 2 cans of corned beef. Next, I am going to give it a nice little stir, and of course you can add more corned beef if you prefer. Then cover it and leave it to cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I am going to give it another little stir, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose savory seasoning, 1 little maggi cube, you can always add more, 1 tablespoon of tandoori curry or yellow curry. Stir it, and then I am going to add in my pork chop. It is called spam. You have the picture here, and this is optional, of course. Then I'm going to stir it, and in the meantime I'm going to prepare my eggs. So I have got 7 eggs that I have beaten, and then I am going to add it to my stew. And of course this is also optional because not everyone likes eggs in their corned beef stew. Now I am going to stir it gently, cover it, leave it to cook for about a few minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, and that's it. And now this is totally optional, but I'm going to add 1 tablespoon more of oil. Then I'm going to stir it, and now I'm going to add in my spring onion and carrots. Please add any other vegetable you like. Stir it, cover it, and leave it to cook for about 10-15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, my corned beef stew is ready. So now I am going to serve it, and I like eating this with my plain basmati rice. And look at this fabulous corned beef stew, guys. You really need to try it because I am telling you, it is amazing. So this was my recipe, and I really hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, comment, share my videos, and most important, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn your notification bell on so that you don't miss any of my recipes. And if you have already done that, thank you so much for following me. I'll see you next time for another recipe. Until then, stay blessed and take care. Bye bye.